he was in the to get rescued from get rescued in his life. He got stuck in a nearby tree. The people all helped him and took him out of the river and took to the hospital. So that the Arun was appreciated for that for his helping nature, that he was brought to a thinking that he was doing to help him.
Good afternoon, friends. In the picture, I saw a man of around 25 to 30 years of age. I named him as Vinod. Vinod was walking home, and as it is rainy season, all of a sudden it starts raining. And Vinod is without an umbrella. And as his house is not far away from the place, he continues to walk. And as he is walking, he sees his brother coming to him with an umbrella. So he walks towards his brother, and then both of them go home under the umbrella.
After perceiving the picture carefully, what I observe is a man is walking in a huge storm who is aged between 18 to 22 years and he is in a neutral mode. And my story goes like this. Vijay is a B.Tech student who lives in a village, and one day a huge storm attacked his village. Vijay's father was a sugar patient. Unfortunately, the medicines required for his father were finished on that day. Vijay unfairly, without thinking the huge storm, he got to the village hospital and brought the medicines for his father. And his father felt very happy for the love shown towards him. Thank you.
Hi everyone. So based on the picture shown, I have perceived the story like there was in Jammu and Kashmir heavy infiltration happened from the Pakistani side. And then the boy was newly joined to the army. He was posted in Jammu and Kashmir sector. What happened one day, in his unit, there was an information received through the phone calls from the other people, other sources, and he received like there was an infiltrator into the Indian territory, soil. So they did a defense. On that time, what happened was the army peoples, they collaborated and they organized well, and they went back. What happened to the boy exactly is because of he was posted newly in Jammu and Kashmir sector. There was when they go back to attack back to the militants, since he was a newly joined, he was misunderstand the locations and he was lost. But since he received the phone call, he has the phone call. He can got back the information from his friends, and he invited his friends to come back and rescue him. Once the friend had information, they returned back and they saved him. What happened in that village was, since the infiltrations and the Pakistanis are always come, the villages are not really safe. But since that incident happens, the army then militants go back and they successfully do operations to the area, and the area becomes so safe, and the villagers are so happy. And at the same time, even though the boy was lost, he come back to his better. Thank you.
Good afternoon, friends. What I perceive from the picture is that Ravi is my main character, and he is of age 25 years, and he is on his after completing his B.Tech 2 years back. He couldn't find a job anymore, so he used to give huge efforts to get a job, and finally he gets a call letter from a top MNC offering him 7 lakh CTC. So he determines in his mind that he should get this job somehow, and he goes to the company and attends the interview, and he is on his way back home. So on his way back home, he suddenly gets an offer letter mail that confirming his job in the company, and he feels so happy that he couldn't stop his tears from his eyes, and he walks back home. And after that, in his future, he will take good care of his family with the earnings that he gets from the company, and he leads a happy life. Thank you.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. In this picture, there was a man who was aged 30 years. He was in positive mood. So my story goes like this. There was a gardener whose name was Nikhil. He was a gardener in some government servant officer house. There was a climate change. So there was planets and he was taking his tool to plant new trees and fruits in the garden. So he find there is a rain. So he he he
Friends, from the image shown, I perceived a boy named Bharat whose age is around 22 years old. My story is as follows. Bharat is a young energetic boy who finished his BTech education recently. On his summer holidays, he visited his grandparents' house. While he was walking through his village along the paddy fields, he found the crops were not grown properly due to the lack of water. He heard that there is a water source in the nearby forest. After doing research, he found the water source, and he wanted to build a canal which would bring water to his village. With the help of the NGOs, he builds a canal which brings water to his villages. After that, in the village, crops grow properly, and he was appreciated by the villagers. Thank you.
Friends, I personally in a picture that Rohit of 22-year-old who was a civil engineer who completed his graduation in NIT Warangal. One fine day when he was going to his native place, he found that water full of water was stacked on what certain place. If he wants to go to his place, he has to cross that. He found that it is difficult to cross without a bridge. Then he returned back to his working place. As he is a civil engineer, he had a thought of constructing a bridge. He went near to the district headquarters and he had a chat with district authorities, and they also agreed to construct a bridge in his own village. After, with the help of villagers, he constructed a bridge in his village, and now the transportation and everything made easy. All the villagers are happy, and everyone appreciates his talent. Thank you.
Friends, in this picture, I perceive David of year 25 is the main character of my story. After completion of his graduation, he is returned back to his homeland, where he found out that the village has changed a lot. The agriculture fields and the trees has dried up. The woman even had to go long distance to fetch water. David was disappointed about this situation. He informed the water authority of the district, and they frequently bought pipelines in the village. Then it is suitable them to cultivate the agriculture, proceed the agriculture and paddy fields. And for this activity, all the villagers can appreciate him.
Friends, I perceive in the picture is one male character. His name is Lokesh. He was completed the civil engineer in Andhra University and came back to hometown. When he was going for sightseeing in his village, the farmers are suffering for lack of water. So he was started a survey on that and given to the village panchayat to build the canal for that. The panchayat officer is build the canal to the forest, to the farmers to the fields, and the location is appreciated by the people. Thank you.
Friends,
Friends.
in most of our stories, it is a village background.
And the male is of
And
age
ma-
20 to 25
Friends,
years.
And 20 to 20
we are
years
all
old.
in a
As-
common conclusion that
Common
there is
conclusion
a
that
sense
it has to be a social issue.
in between the social
20 to
issue.
25 years
I thought he was amazing from the mountains. I thought he was
Village background is
The main there is a scarcity of water.
Most of the stories are also
So
What is
It should be based on
our hero is a male. Age around 20 to 25 years old. He finished his graduation from a reputed institute. and visits his village, he finds there is
He finds
there is a water scarcity in his village and wants to help his village.
I don't think like
That's not correct because most of the people told
He was not a gardener, he was there.
He was loneliness, he was crying because he was missing. There could be some of the time.
The way he was standing, he was covering his face with his arms. So
He's
he
thinking
was
something
walking
inside.
through some windy.
Number 50. I think that what you said is completely right, but you can see the picture. It seems like it's raining, right?
Yeah,
Yes,
he's covering his
that's
arms
like a
with
big
his-
storm.
So it's
he's covering
raining,
his face.
and
there is
it is
natural
mostly the case of
calamity.
village. So from your perception, there may be a water scarcity, but if there is a rain, then the villagers should be excited, not excited, should be educated that much that they can use water harvesting at that
It is
point
blood
of time.
pressure.
It's either raining or it's windy.
To save the water, to save the water.
Build their homes that way.
And there is enough survival.
According to question number 5, I think what he pursued is exactly right.
Yes.
And we are in a conclusion that there is a male between 20 to 25 years of age.
And
it
who
is
was completed
raining,
his
and
graduation
the
in Deputy
background it
College.
is an agricultural farm.
So we should reduce the water
And
scarcity
they are
in the village.
and the farm is facing water scarcity.
I want to assure that, see, there is raining, right? Everyone is agreeing that there is a rain.
Yes.
So how can you say that there is a water scarcity? There might have some other problems that the village might
We can
face.
But
assume
most
that
of
there
us-
is water
most-
scarcity.
Most of us
What is One second, gentlemen. Can I share my opinion? Yeah, even though there was a water, maybe look like a farmer. It doesn't mean that even though he stays in the farm, it doesn't mean that he will be a farmer, right? It can be some other stranger family. It can be some other sources.
Yeah, we're telling the same thing.
My point here is even though he was staying in the farm, that doesn't mean that he's a farmer. He could be someone else.
We should write a story.
Someone else.
Relevant to the picture.
I really like the number 19 story.
So what I feel is that it can be a stranger person who was just left out and who was just missing the.
So we can combine water harvesting and that number 9.
He was not shown in the same story. He was not shown in the same audio. This was walking with heels.
We can combine those.
So what I feel like
That much kind of 50% and
we should
what
do
is
what
it?
people like to perform.
Because maybe when you were going to get medicine to his father, according to what he told. That's what was going to happen. Yeah.
But the most of us reveal that it is a water scarcity.
Okay, what's like that?
Okay, so we can do that. Like there is a drinking water scarcity.
Social was not only like 1% student.
Like we said that there is drinking water scarcity in the village. So his father needs water to take the medicine.
Raining, it was raining. So let's talk to fertilization that was raining.
So we can decide that
He had a thought of
We can
implementing
improve
some
right water harvesting.
social class is
We
important.
can implement story like there is a drinking water scarcity. So instead of medicines, you will take water for like the cases medicines only. But for taking medicines, you need water, right?
But social reason is important. So like we should clear the problem all over the village.
everyone must be useful.
Water scarcity all over the village.
So our story should be relevant.
And it will be useful to others also, not only to particular person.
Must be controlled on a social issue.
And that about water and clearing is all over the village. So like let's conclude our story. A male aged around 20 to 25 years finished his graduation. He was walking to his field. It was raining. There was water scarcity in the village. So he wanted to solve the problem.
It can't be water scarcity.
No, no, it is raining. They can't be water.
Okay, what and social most of the you see raining. Most of the
We can
raining.
no pure water in the village. So after it rained, they found out a way to implement
the water
pure water.
scarcity itself. There is no place to store water. There is no place to store water.
So he wants to consider.
Why was it covering? Why was it covering?
Guys, I have one idea.
How to use that rain
And so we can do it.
we need to speak. Because since it was thundering Sunday, was raining weekend, so let's not say it's a water scarcity. Maybe the farm was flood. He just came and he saw that all the cultivation was collapsed, and he went back to all the cultivators that they came together and they make the
no, it was clear that
they make water properly and the next year the water was safe and all the paddy was safe and they harvest and everyone can enjoy the food.
But
they wanted to store the right water, so we'll make a plan how to store the right water. If the right water is strong from the soil, because the crops were flowing like okay, we'll water and all in the village to save the right water, not let it go waste.
He had a thought of implementing something, so he's thinking in his mind and he put his.
Or we can do it in that way, like whilst he saw that it's raining and we are wasting a lot of water.
Yeah, so yeah,
like
planning
something and going to the
use the water.
Now we'll come to the
let's like we make small ponds, wells and even right water harvesting.
They have blocked the water properly, they have channelized the water properly.
So the story is like there is a male with 25 years of age and we removed the water scarcity and it is like it is raining heavily and the farm needs some water then and there and the paddy will grow with the help of that water and we can conclude the story in a positive manner.
And after seeing the surroundings like it's raining and we are not even utilizing a single drop of that, we can do rainwater harvesting, build our rooftops like that.
And we can build ponds, wells to store water for future purposes. Before writing it all, like we will think that there was no enough water in the village.
One of you selected by the group can give out the group consensus.
I think chess number 50.
Thank you friends for nominating me. So our story goes like this. There is a young boy aged around 20 to 25 years old who finished his BTech, went to his village. In his village, there is no proper water. In usual time, they had to walk a long way to fetch water. So once he finds it raining, so they wanted to conserve the water by building ponds, wells, and even through rainwater harvesting to use it for future and reduce the distance. Thank you.
Okay. Be quiet and we'll come back and give you the results. Right, gentlemen, quickly your results for you. Number 3. Expression was just limited, not much of logic in your talk. Pig has come, destroyed and all, very, very mundane thing, not very impressive, the theme. Right? Neither you participated in the discussion, this will not do. You have to take part in it. Okay? You have to be bold. Your language, what you used was not very impressive. You are not participating in the discussion also, so we could place you at Y. When I say 2 Ys, that means you are through. 1 Y and 1 D is a doubtful case. Otherwise, it will be 10. Then you need really a lot of effort. Number 3. Expression is moderate. You did, well, narration, it was reasonably alright, I thought. After that, the participation was hardly enough. See, that will not do. Your physical fitness, then you overcome that with regular practice and other things you started. That was okay, but not very, very high order. It's self-orientation, basically. You see, whenever you make a issue, let it not be on you only. What you do for others. That is more important. What you achieve and you ultimately reach the peak, that is very, very mundane, ordinary thing. That means you are more self-oriented person. That should not be there. Getting my point? How your thought process helps the other people. That is more important. So we have to keep you at borderline. Okay? 1 Y and 1 D. Number 4. Let me tell you, women candidates are going to be very, very competitive. A lot of girls, highly motivated, come, they talk really bold, clear, their language is good, and they really push through their point and be more assertive. You need to be a little more assertive. Your points are okay, the logic is there in your talk. Number 4. But it was not very impactful. Notwithstanding, you were there somewhere in the border, we thought we'll give you a chance and then pushed you to yes. Number 5. Again, we just pushed you because initially you were not that good, but later on in the participation, you did participate in a limited manner, and environmental issues you took. The theme was just moderate, so we thought we'll give you a chance and then pushed you 8 years. Okay, 2 wise. Number 8. You are a very emotional kind of person. You took a theme of love affair and other things, and you was not successful, sad, crying. All these are all negative aspects. You was very sad and what happened and other things and all, and then you left out in between. It has been culminated into something worthwhile. So you got to make it impress you. Let it the story raise the level of your story. And you did participate also, so we couldn't place you at white. It was 2 Ds. 13. Again, similar case. Not much of theme there. You took out Arun and Yeshwanthpur and disposed stock nearby and all, and then left it in abruptly. Otherwise, I can see there is some potential in you, but it didn't come out clearly. So we have to keep you at the D only. Okay. Number 17. You have the potential, but there it was left out. We know that medicine for his father and other things he could take and all, you took out, and then nothing came out, neither in the participation in the discussion, only one sentence you came out. That will not do. That was not impressive, no impact. Theme was hardly anything. So we kept you at somewhere in the border, 1Y and 1D, somewhere in the border. You got a chance to make it, but it was not impressive, so we had to keep you at modeling. 19? Yes. There was some effort by your side, but not very impressive. But still, you made an effort. You did participate in the discussion moderately. Because of that, we gave you 2 Ys and we cleared you. 19? Your chappals will not do when you go there. Okay? You are a cheerful person, all right. You are able to put across your thought process and points in a convincing manner. The group also said, okay, they heard you. But it was just a more mediocre effort, but good enough when you compare to others' performance. You are slightly better than them, so we gave you 2 Ys and we cleared it. 21.
Sir.
Again, self-oriented, self-job, to get a job, MNC, and he got 7 lakhs and other things, he got it and all. That's what again and again we keep telling you people. What you achieve, what you wanted to achieve, what you achieve is all towards yourself, self-orientation. No, get out of that scale. Go for somebody else, what you can do for others. That will be more interesting and more important. Rather than what you achieve and achieve the goal. You already got most of your engineers. But what can you do for others? That is more important. Okay? Because of that, we gave you 1 Y and 1 D. 22. What happened, better? You are a little nervous. Eh? There's nothing to be nervous. You are equally competent. They are all in the same boat. Don't worry. Next time we expect you to perform better, little more bold. Don't worry. You will get selected, not get selected. It's only training we are doing. In the training you must go all out. Right? Make an effort. Put up your point confidently. Mistakes can happen. Doesn't matter. Okay? So we couldn't place you this time. Next time we'll see how best you can show your performance. Your actual performance on the day matters. Okay? 15? Yes. Okay. Explanation is okay. Look confident. Eye scanning was okay. You did participate in the discussion. You were able to convey ideas and convince others. And ultimately you got the group narration also. There's no problem. And we gave you 2 Ys. 53. You started off well. way you narrated, in between also small sparks here and there you gave. That is the end of it. After that, nothing happened. Okay, you got to be a little more participative, get involved more into the activity. Got the point? Because of that, you are somewhere in the border. You have got a potential, you can make the grade, but today you didn't make the grade. Somewhere in the border, you have to be pushed to 1Y and 1D. Okay? 74, not very impressive. Again, very mundane issues. Disappointed, pipelines, that, this and all which you brought out was not very convincing. Neither your participation was very convincing. Whatever points you brought out, people were not ready to accept it, and we left it at that. Gentlemen, this type of narrations will not do. You got to be very specific. Your content level has to be very, very specific. A little more higher level. Very, very ordinary levels of theme you are taking. That will not do. Okay? So we couldn't place you at Y. We kept you at D only. Similarly, 85. Very short. Lack of water issue, building canal and all you took, but that's the end of it. After that, nothing happened. Your effort to see that you come to a common group consensus was not about. That's why we had to keep you at D only. Okay? Okay.